If you've ever forgotten your Gmail password and you've already saved it in your browser, this video is going to walk you through the fastest way to find it on your computer. I'm going to show you exactly where to look in Chrome, how to open Google Password Manager, and how to reveal the saved password safely. Just a quick note before we begin. This only works if your password was previously saved on your device. If it wasn't saved, you'll need to reset your Gmail password instead. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This is the main Chrome menu where you can find browser settings, tools, and saved account options. From that menu, hover over or click Passwords and Autofill. On some versions of Chrome, this may simply show as Password Manager or Google Password Manager. Click that option to open your saved passwords page. Now you'll see a list of websites and accounts that Chrome has stored for you. In the search bar, type Gmail or Google. This helps narrow down the results so you can quickly find the account you're looking for. If you have multiple Google accounts saved, take a moment to select the correct Gmail entry. Click on the account name that matches the email address you want to recover the password for. After you select it, Chrome may ask you to verify your identity. This is a security step, and you may be asked to enter your computer password, PIN, or use another device login method depending on your system. Go ahead and complete that verification to continue. Once you're authenticated, you'll see the saved login details for that Gmail account. Next to the password field, click the eye icon to reveal the password. If the password is hidden with dots, the eye icon will show it in plain text once you approve the device verification. At that point, you can copy it or write it down somewhere secure. Make sure you handle it carefully and only use it on your own account. If you don't see your Gmail password here, that usually means it was never saved on this browser or device. In that case, the best option is to go to the Gmail sign-in page and use the Forgot Password link to start the recovery process. But if your password is saved, this method is the quickest way to find it without guessing. So, to recap, open Chrome, go to the three-dot menu, open Passwords and Autofill, launch Google Password Manager, search for Gmail or Google, select your account, verify with your computer password or PIN, and then click the eye icon to view the saved Gmail password. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy computer tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.